This is the Derwent pencil factory. Onwards and upwards for the Keswick Ministries. That's the building going to be knocked down, so watch this space. It'll be gone in the next 6 months or so. And there'll be a new building over there. This is the old pencil factory. They are going to do it up. It's costing 10 million. We need about 3.8 now to continue. 3.8 million. Here in Keswick for Keswick Ministries. Got the pencil museum here as well. Big car park over there as well. This lot will be used. The back building is about 3 floors. And apparently they're going to keep the building. They thought they might have to demolish it, but you can have 40% more space for 10% less costs, and the treasurer's really pleased. Keswick Ministries here. The old Cumberland pencil factory here in Keswick. I'm reliably told they've got some children's ministries on. First year, yeah. They have had flooding here about 4 or 5 years ago. Even some remnants on the ground floor as well. Unfortunately, but there we are, onwards and upwards here in Keswick for Keswick Ministries for the Keswick Convention.